Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer assets from iCloud Drive to Final Cut Pro detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Ensure that you are logged into the same Apple ID that you use for iCloud. Navigate to the iCloud Drive folder on your Mac. Locate the files or folders you want to transfer. Select the desired files by clicking on them. If you want to select multiple files, hold down the Command key while clicking. Once your files are selected, right-click on them. Choose Copy from the context menu. Return to Final Cut Pro. Open the library or project where you want to import the files. In the Final Cut Pro interface, navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen. Select Import Media from the drop-down options. A new window will open, allowing you to browse your files. In the new window, look for the iCloud Drive section in the sidebar. Click on it to locate your iCloud files. Select the files you wish to import. After selecting the files, click on the Import Selected button. Your files will now begin to transfer into Final Cut Pro. You can monitor the progress in the import window. Once the import is complete, you will see your files in the Final Cut Pro library. You can now start using these files in your video projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.